Hi everyone, and welcome to an exciting new feature of Advanced Installer, testing installations in Windows Sandbox. Testing installation packages can be a challenging task. You need to make sure that your installation packages work correctly without affecting the whole system or other applications. You also need to test different scenarios such as upgrades, uninstallations, or repairs. But what if you could test your installation packages in Windows Sandbox easily and safely with a click of a button? Say hello to our new feature running in Windows Sandbox, which enables you to simplify and speed up your test installation through a one-step operation. It allows you to test the package independently of other software that is already installed, so you don't need to worry about other applications influencing your app's behavior. Since it requires no setup and is very disposable, you don't have to install or uninstall anything on the home system or other machines. And it's all automatically handled by Advanced Installer. The guest instance is initiated and then deleted once the testing is done. No manual interventions or configurations from me. So you can forget about going through complex settings as you normally do with large virtual machines. Let's see how it works. Let's suppose you just finished creating or configuring your package and now you want to test it. Go to the Advanced Installer's toolbar and click on the Run in Sandbox button. Once you click on the button, a wizard will appear and Advanced Installer will start installing the Advanced Installer tools on the guest operating system so that it can perform all the action that it does in the background. As you can see, our package is launched and installed in the Windows Sandbox. Let's go over the installation steps and see if everything works smoothly. Now that we're done testing the installation, we can close it by clicking on the X button in the top right corner of the Windows Sandbox. Here we are prompted with a no saying that all the content, files, and the state will be lost, meaning the machine will clear everything when we shut it off. As you can see, testing installations in Sandbox is simple and convenient without affecting the whole system or other applications, and saves you time, reduces risk, and enables you to discover any installation issues quickly. I hope you enjoy using our new feature, and if you have any questions or feedback about this feature, feel free to leave a comment below or contact us through our support channels. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos from Advanced Installer.